Good morning, one and all. Now, in today's class, we'll be studying about the types of decision. Before that, let us understand what do you mean by decision making. Okay. Now, in the organization, the manager has to take a decision, and always he has to take a correct and a right decision, which is good and useful for the business. He cannot take any kind of a wrong decision. So based on that, we'll understand what you mean by types of decision. Now one simple example I'll give you for this decision making. Okay. Now it will be dependent upon the selection of available alternatives which are there. What do you mean by alternatives? Alternatives means what? There are many alternatives or many options in front of the manager. Okay. Like suppose think that the manager is having three alternatives A, B and C. So he will try to select, okay, means try to find out the good and bad points of A, good and bad points of B and good and bad points of C. And which he find the more good points, he will try to select only that option or that alternative. So that is based on the selection of alternatives which is there. Okay. Now if many options are there in front of the manager, they will try to analyze the good and bad points, and where they will find more good points, no, they will try to choose or select that alternative or that option, and based on that only they will try to take a correct and a right decision. Now let us understand which are the types of decision. First one in that is programmed decision. Now programmed decision, it is taken by the lower level management. Now already you know that there are three levels of management: top management, middle and lower level management. So programmed decision is been taken by the lower level management. Okay. Now some examples have been given there: granting overtime loan, okay, and placing and purchase order. Granting overtime loan means what? Now suppose if the lower level management, what is the main responsibility? They will conduct whatever the day-to-day operation or day-to-day activities of the business. So granting whatever the loan is there, okay, or placing any kind of the purchase order. If they want to place an order with the other company, so that responsibility has been given by the lower level management. So program decision means what? It is taken by the lower level management. The next one, non-programmed decision. Now what do you mean by non-programmed decision? It is been taken by the top level management. Okay. Now top level management has to take the important decision of the organization, because overall what decision has been taken, it will be there with the top level management. So what example is there? Starting of a new business or starting of a new industry which is there, okay, whether to export the goods or not. These major decisions or these important decisions which are there are being taken by the top level management. Okay. So non-programmed decision, it is been taken by the top level management, and top management to start, whether to start a business or a industry, that is a major function which is there. Okay. So that is the most important decision or important function. The next one is major decision. Major decision is been taken by the top level management or the higher level management. Okay. Now what example is there of the major decision? Okay, whether to purchase land and building, plant and machinery. Okay. So now to purchase the fixed assets which are there, that is the major decision. Okay. So top level management has to take such kind of the major decision to purchase whichever the fixed assets of the company. Now suppose which kind of fixed assets are there, like to purchase land and building, plant and machinery. These fixed assets are there, no? Okay. And the cost of land and building, plant and machinery is more. Okay. So in order to that, to purchase these kind of the assets which are there, that major decision is been taken by the top management. The next one is minor decision. Minor decision, it has been taken by the lower level management. Okay. Suppose if they want to purchase any kind of the current assets which are there. Current assets means what? Like it can also be regarded as, okay, like small stationery items which are there, which cost is very less, which does not require more cost or more money. That minor decision has been taken by the lower level management. The next one is operative decision. What do you mean by operations? Operations means conducting day-to-day activities or day-to-day operations of the business. That is called as a operative decision. Day-to-day operations or day-to-day activities means what? Daily what activities should be undertaken in the organization. Okay, that decision has to be taken. That is operative decision. Then next one is organizational decision. Now what is good for the organization or what is not good for the organization, that decision has to be taken by the management. That is organizational decision. Then next one is personal decision. Now what do you mean by personal decision? It is related to the personal life of a individual or personal life of a person. Okay, like it is not related to the professional life. Now when we compare the personal life and the professional life, there is a difference between that. Okay, professional life means what? It is related only to the industry and organization. That decision has to be taken which is related to the organization. Okay, whatever activities to be conducted in the organization, what all things are there, that is related to the organization. But here personal decision means what? Related to the personal life of an individual. That personal life of an individual, it does not relate to the organization. That is called as a personal decision, individual decision. His own manager, maybe there are employee, he has to take his own individual decision. That is a personal decision. The next one is group decision. What do you mean by group decision? Like as an individual, it may not be possible to take a proper and a good decision. So decision has to be taken in the form of a group, where a group of members, they will come together. Okay, and whatever their ideas and their opinion are there, they will share with each other and later on they will take a decision. That is called as a group decision. Decision has to be taken as a group, where it is not possible for a single individual to take any kind of a decision. So based on that, decision should be taken in the kind of a group. The next one is crisis decision. Now what do you mean by crisis decision? Another term is also given for that as on the spot decision. Decision should be taken on the spot. Suppose if fire catches or fire takes place in the organization, okay, if suddenly fire will take place or catch in the organization, that time the question arises in front of the manager. Okay, what decision should be taken on the spot? There itself he has to take the decision. That is called as a crisis decision. Taking decision on the spot. Okay, there itself you have to take the decision how this fire can be cured. Then next one is problem decision. Okay, now there may be many problems arising in the organization. Problems may be related to the sales, or problems may be related to the HR issues, or problems may be related to the finance. Like that way many kind of difficulties and problems will take place. So in order to that, how to handle that particular problem or how to solve that problem has to be taken the decision properly. That is a problem decision. So these are the types of decision. Just briefly I will tell you that basically you need to understand what do you mean by decision making. Decision making is how to take a correct and a right decision for the organization, and the manager always has to take a correct decision based on the selection of available alternatives which are there. Okay, out of that he need to select the best option or best alternative. And these were the types of decision. First one was program decision. It has been taken by whom? It has been taken by the lower level management. Okay, like whatever, like granting whatever loan is there. Okay, or placing a purchase order. The non-program decision, it has been taken by the top level management. Okay, whatever like starting a new business or a new industry organization, that may be there. Okay, or whatever, whether goods are to be exported or not. Then major decision, it has been taken by the top level management in order to purchase the fixed assets of the company, like fixed assets like land and building, plant and machinery. Then minor assets means what? It is taken by the lower level management, means purchase of the current assets and even the small stationary items which are there. Then operative decision, conducting day-to-day activities or business of the industry. Then organization decision means what decision is taken related to the organization. Then personal decision. Now it will be related to the personal life of a individual. He may be a manager, employee, means related to his personal life. It is not related to the organization. Then group decision. If it is not possible for a single individual to take the decision, so based on that the decision can be taken in a group. Means all the group members can express whatever their ideas and opinions are there, okay, and based on that they can take a decision. Then crisis decision means what? On the spot decision has to be taken. Like example I have told you that suppose imagine fire catches or takes place in the organization. How to cure about this fire? On the spot decision has to be taken. Then problem decision. Now many problems arises in the organization, maybe sales problem related to sales, finance, HR issues. So in order to that, how they can try to solve this problem. So these are the various types of decision. Thank you.